Hi all, in this video we are going to see about what is bonds. First, basically bonds are loans made to large organizations. These include corporations, cities and national government too. An individual bond is a piece of massive loan. That's because the size of these entities requires them to borrow money from more than one source. Bonds are a type of fixed income investment. The other type of investment are cash, stocks, commodities, and derivatives. Investment bonds are debit instruments in which the authorized issuer owns the bond holder a debit. Next, we are going to see the categories of bonds. First is the corporate bond. Corporate bonds are usually issued by the companies. Company issues a bond rather than seek bank loan for debit financing in many cases because bond market offer more favorable terms and lower interest rate. Next is the municipal bonds. Bonds are issued by states and municipalities. Some municipal bonds offer tax-free coupon income for investors. Next is the agency bond. These are issued by government affiliated organizations such as Freedmen. Next is the government bond, such as those issued by the US Treasury. A bond issued by the Treasury with a year or less than maturity are called bills. Bonds issued with a period of 1 to 10 years to maturity are called notes, and bonds issued with more than 10 years to maturity are called as bonds. The entire category of bond issued by a government treasury is often collectively referred to as treasurers. Government bonds issued by national government may be referred to as sovereign debt. Next is how does a bond work? The borrowing organization promises to pay the bond back to an agreed upon date. Until then, the borrower make agreed upon interest payment to the bondholder. People who own bonds are also called as creditors or debit holders. In the olden days, when people kept paper bonds, they would redeem the interest payment by clipping coupon. Today, this is all done electronically. Of course, the debitor repays the principal called the face value when the bond matures. Most bond holders resell them before they mature at the end of the loan period. They can only do this because there is a secondary market for bonds. Bonds are either publicly traded on exchanges or sold privately between a broker and the creditor. Since they can be resold, the value of a bond rises and falls until it matures. Things to consider before investing in a bond. You have to consider four things. First is the investment objectives. The objective of why you are going for the bond. What are the uses? The tenure of the bonds analyzes the risk factor. If you are started to invest, there will be surely risks. You have to come overcome all those things and the call risks. Benefits of investing in bonds: capital presentation. Next is steady income. There will not be any breakage in your income and tax advantage. That's all about the bond. Thank you for your